stainless steel pot set. Now we're gonna go through that and throw all that stuff away.
Okay.
We got some goodies from Amazon.
Wow.
What do we got here? There goes the lid. There goes another lid.
Wow. Look at this. This is nice.
What do we got there? Oh, stainless steel pot, huh?
Yes, that's nice.
Another stainless steel pot, huh?
Oh, is this like a steamer? See?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a steamer.
Where's the pan? Didn't have it?
It's in the box.
What's in the box?
What we got here? Another lid. Look at this, a good soup pot.
Ooh, this is big one. Oh, we're gonna cook this, the beef. We're gonna make, oh, this is nice. I like this. Stainless.
What do we got here? Nice skillet.
Yeah, it's a big one. Oh, they have three.
There goes another skillet. Oh, this one's bigger than that one.
Yeah, three. Wow, it's a lot. Ta-da. Oh,
That's it for the pots. Now let's take a look at this.
oh, they didn't have cover this one.
Yeah, you got it. Huh? Well, these covers. This one. Wait a minute. No, this one won't fit that one. That one will probably fit that. No.
No,
Oh, that one.
I think they didn't have cover this. What about this?
This doesn't.
That one they didn't have
No
it.
cover for that one either.
Oh, this is here.
Yeah, that one fits. Yeah.
That one you can use like that.
This is the
Yeah.
steamer can go
No, like this.
right there.
Like that. Oh. Oh,
This doesn't fit.
very nice. Huh?
Oh, this one fits here. Look,
Oh yeah, I know.
the one that goes here fits this one.
Mm-hmm.
And let's see. Oh, nothing fits that one.
Nothing. They don't have cover though.
Oh, here we go. This one fits that one. So these are the only two that don't have covers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Everything else has covers.
Nice.
Steamer.
What is that?
Let's open it up and see what Amazon bought us. Somebody loves us. Oh, smart light switch. I got 3 of them. Yeah, it's a light switch. Smart lights.
Where are you gonna put
1, 2, 3. These are Casa. This is Casa. These are Casa lights. These are real good lights. I mean, these are switches, light switches. You can use them for a fan, a ceiling fan, anything. But this is a good brand. This brand is much better than Wemo. I've been having problems with Wemo. And Wemo is always disconnecting, and half the time they don't work. But these are Casa, and I bought these before. And I've never had a problem with these
Where are you gonna
light
put
switches. I'm going to put one right here, that kitchen, that switch for that light above the window. I'm going to put another one. Where am I going to put another one at? Maybe in the hallway right there. Our bedroom hallway right there. Maybe another one. I don't know where. Maybe upstairs or something.